Then the question comes, how can you increase your net worth? Now, there is no need to really obsess about it. It is just really a point in time, and it's a good check in, though. I do love it, and I do this probably about once a year with a net worth calculator, just figuring out exactly where we are. Me personally, investment accounts were sitting about a million, just a little over a million. Then when we start adding in the house, which again, I do exclude, we're at about 400,000 right there. So we're about 1.4, 1.5 million for an overall net worth. Definitely getting up there, still have many years to work, many more years to invest. And I want to break down exactly how we did this and how we got there. You get more financial security, you start earning a little bit more money. But for me personally, it's breaking it down on not how much money you earn, it is about how much money you keep. When we took out loans years ago for our auto loans, we took out 60 months loans. I paid my loan off in 17 months. Every single penny that I had, access everything that we made from YouTube, from the channel right here. And of course, if you like the content, please subscribe. But every single dollar that we were making within YouTube was going straight into that auto loan. A 60-month loan turned into 17 months. That means that 17 months, I was completely done with the auto loan payments. We did the exact same for my wife's vehicle. We bought it brand new, did it for 60 months, which of course is giving us the lowest interest rate. Within about 24 months, we paid hers off in the entirety, which again, paying a lot less interest than we would if we kept that for the entire 60 months. Now, of course, both of the cars being paid off completely free and clear. The only bill or the only liability we really have right now is the mortgage itself. And me, I'm on the fence of paying it off or keeping it. My opinion is when I'm investing the money, looking at the last 2 years in the stock market, yielding 20+% for 2 years versus paying off 2.5% mortgage really made sense mathematically for me within the finance realm to really go ahead and do that. Now, of course, when you essentially eliminate a majority of your payments, if you start getting a lot of the cash flow positive, you have the ability to invest. Even thinking of me right now, I probably put roughly 50% of my paycheck into an investment account because again, systematically, we eliminated everything. We don't have credit cards, we don't have loans, we have our monthly liabilities. Then we have everything else, which again allows me to invest about 50% of my portfolio. Now, when it comes to building net worth, committing to savings, committing to investing, and in my opinion, guys, when it comes to savings, savings should only be the emergency fund. Now, generally and consistently, when you start thinking about savings, you are looking at 3 to 6 months of your expenses kind of in that high yield savings account, building up that emergency fund. The rest of it, in my opinion, should be invested in its entirety.